Okay, best friends, so this is part 2 of the video. So this is basically the styling and the installing the glueless lace wig. So again, this is from Ishow hair. This is their loose deep wave in 22 inches. This is a lace front of 13 by 4, and basically all I'm doing is putting loose wand curls in it. I wanted the wig to be fluffy. I thought this color would look very cute with loose wand curls in it, and the color that I used was rich amber. If you did not see the first video, I will definitely link it at the end of this video and in the description box for your viewing pleasure. Okay, so yes, this wand is from Burlington Coat Factory. This is a Remington wand, but I did find it on Amazon. Hey now, yes. So you guys could definitely order it from Amazon. I will definitely link it down below in the description box for you. So basically all I'm going to do is just go through and just curl this wig on up. So you guys know me, when I get to the lace area, I love to go in with my hot comb just to make sure that it's laying down super duper flat. So I like to go in and press it, and then I'm going to go back in with my wand and just wand that area up. After I put all the wand curls in it, I went through and kind of fluffed it out. This kind of resembles my Hollywood waves look, but it's not as tight. These are definitely loose waves. So these are my picketing shears. I know it's very bright. I was so close to my lights. And I bought these from Amazon, and these just make sure that the lace is zigzag. Now I typically cut the lace when it's on my head, but because I'm doing the glueless method, that is not necessary because it's going to be glueless. So I am going to cut the lace off while it's on the mannequin head, and I'm basically just following the shape of the hairline that was on there. And if you guys remember, I was trying to decide if I was going to pluck the hairline or if I was going to leave it alone. And yeah, so this is the hairline that I have after you know, doing lightly plucking. And so this is the zigzags. This makes a huge difference when it comes to your wigs looking natural on your hairline. And I do want to remind you guys that wigs and lace are a foreign object, and it's going to sit on your face, on your forehead, and you will always see lace. You can have the thinnest lace that there's out there, which is HD lace. Girl, you're still going to see it. And once everybody, you know, is comfortable knowing that their lace is a foreign object and you're going to see it, then you will be very comfortable in wearing your wigs. Do you hear me though, ladies? So you definitely want to learn how to, you know, make your wigs look as natural as possible. There's ways to make your wigs look natural as possible. There's ways to help disguise your grids and everything like that, but you definitely need to understand that lace is a foreign object and it is sitting on top of your skin. You're gonna see it. Like I have to keep saying that because, you know, some people just don't know. Instagram will give you the illusion that lace just disappears, and it really doesn't. You know, people on Instagram use filters. They use bright lights. They use cameras that blur. They use filters that blur. So, you know, a real one has to tell you the truth, and I'm gonna tell you the truth. You feel me? All right. So I decided that I did not want the curls, so I did go back in and straighten my hair with my Nano flat iron. I will also link this down below. I did use 450 degrees to flat iron this hair, so I used a lot of heat in regards to this hair, and the hair was not dry and it was still actually flowy, which is a great thing. So I'm going to just go ahead and flat iron both of the sides just to make sure that everything is straight. And after it's straight, I'm going to go in and start doing the glueless method. Alright, so basically I'm going to pin out the hair from my face. You want to make sure that your lace is exposed so you can, like, you know, maneuver it however you want to. Now there's different ways to do glueless methods. Okay, you can use the got to be glue and the free spray method. You can use the elastic band method. You can use the bobby pin method. You can use the what is it called, the foam wrap method, but you need an elastic band with that as well. There's different ways. When you say glueless, that means you're not using lace glue. And like I said in my previous videos, I've been loving not using lace glue to adhere my wigs. It's just been very easy for me. So I've been using the got to be in the free spray method. I mix both of them together and apply it to my hairline and my skin. Because of the type of hairline I have to make sure that my wig sit directly on my hairline. If it's too low, it's gonna look crazy. If it's too high, you're gonna see my natural hairline. So it has to sit directly on my hairline. So basically, I use that to put it around where my sideburns is, and I blew dry it until it was dry, and I just laid some baby hairs. And other than that, that was the install. This is a very easy glueless way. I did not use an elastic band, but I am going to show you guys that in my next videos that should be coming up pretty soon this week or next week. You guys need to see the elastic band because, you know, it comes in handy, especially with glueless wigs. Alright, so let me know if you will wear this rich amber color from Adore, and if you will rock this bone straight hair, because she's actually cute, but this is not the color that I thought I was going for. But I will definitely rock this hair color. Anyways, if you have any questions or concerns, leave them down in the comment section, and I will leave all the info and everything that I use in the description box. And until then, bye best friends.